Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the way of how to create event website on Wix. Nothing hard, so let's get started. Open wix.com and you'll come to this page. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started where you can create your own account with your Gmail. You just simply need to continue with Google, and after that your account will be automatically created and you'll come to this page where you can see all of your sites. You can manage them, you can delete, duplicate, and do some other things, and also we can create a new site. So in our case we need to click on create new site, and after that we need to select two options. So we'd like to start with chat, or we can set up without chat. To make it easier, I recommend you to click on set up without chat. So we'll have a quick checklist where we can just simply follow all the steps and our website will be ready. So we need to create event website. So let's try to input it right up here. So event website. So as you can see, we have a couple of event options we can choose from. So I recommend you to use event and then just simply click on continue. In this case, we'll get more options for selecting templates we can customize in the future. So yeah, it may take a little time to select the necessary template, but at least we'll have more options. And the next step is to name our website. So what would you like to call this event? Let it be event to see. Continue. Next step here is what type of event are you hosting? So like a ticketed event or registration only, you can select the necessary one. But if you are going to select ticketed, we'll need to set some pricing, maybe set up some payment methods and so on. Let's click on ticketed event. Let's click on continue. Time and location, so you can select it as you need. Let it be like this. You can also enable these checkbox. This is a recurring event. I'm going to use only a one-time event. So where will these take place, online or physical location? Let's be online in this case. And they will help you connect your virtual event to Wix Live video or Zoom. I think it's really good. Let's click on continue. And now, which tools would you like to add to your website? So Sitemap, event schedule, Wix mobile apps, online store, or email marketing. In my case, I'm going to connect email marketing, online store, and also event schedule. Let it be like this. Let's now click on continue. And the next step is go to our dashboard. So as I said, here we have our quick checklist we can now follow to make it easier to set up our website. So we have a couple of steps here. So it may take a little time until everything will be uploaded. And we have option to connect custom domain, create your first event, design your website, and manage some SEO for Google to make it easier to find our website. So as I said, we can connect our custom domain. We can check is it available. So you can input the name here. And after that, we can click on make it yours and we'll be redirected to the next page where we can select. So if you want to get custom domain, you'll need to buy it from Wix directly. All the steps are quite simple. I won't show you it, but if you click, you'll see all the steps. So the next step is to create your first event. Let's click on it. And we'll be redirected, as you can see in the left side, to events and then drafts. Here we can add the event, so we can select the type, event type, general info like name, description, teaser, event image, date and time of options, so you can see, and like location and some or more information about event. I recommend you to fill it by yourself. You can use your knowledges, your information, maybe even ChatGPT if you want. And after that, your event will be automatically created. In my case, I will not add it now, but as you see, it's really easy to add your event. So after that, we just simply need to design our website. Let's click on design. And we also have the options here. If you know exactly what do you need to get from the Wix, you can use AI. So you'll just simply need to input your prompt and it will create your ideas into the reality. If you don't you want to see some references, you can click on pick a template. I'm going to use this one here. So after that, we can see all the templates available for events. And as you can see, we have a lot, more than 9 pages here, like 100 of different templates we can choose from. Let's try to see something interesting. As for us, let's see that we're going to create tag conference. By the way, you can customize every single template in the way you need. So it's not a problem for you to select like tag conference template and to recreate it, for example, to beauty salon, like, you know, masterclass or something like this. So let's click on view to see how will it look like, what pages do we have. And we have like home, speakers, agenda, venue, and contact. We can see, yeah, it looks really, really good. We have speakers here, some information about scheduling. So yeah, it's also available on mobile. All the websites, all the templates on Wix are totally responsive for different types of devices. I think it's really, really good. So let's click on edit this site, and it will be automatically used as a base template for our product, for our website we are going to create. And after that, in a few seconds, we'll come to our editor. I recommend you to see some more in-depth tutorials on my channel, because here, just for 10 minutes tutorial, I'll show you main features. I think it's enough to start, but if you want to add some additional things, you need to see some other tutorials. And firstly, let's manage our structure. As you know, every single website has some different pages. So in order to manage them, we can click on pages and menu in the left menu. And here we have home, speakers, agenda, venue, but we only have one page, which is called home. Speakers is only anchor. So if you're going to click on it, we'll be moved to the necessary part of the page. I think it's really good. But if you want to add a page, we can go to add page here, and we can find all the templates. We have services, projects, contact, general, and so on. So you can find the necessary one as for you as you need. Also, we can manage our elements here. We can click on more, we can hide, delete, duplicate, and do some other things. As you can see, it's really easy to interact with. So then everything is done with the structure. We can start managing our sections. So every single page contains different sections. If I'm going to click on add a section, we can see this section here, this section here, this section here, this section here, and so on. If you add some sections, for example, welcome, we can just simply click on welcome here, find this one here, and then just simply move it. As you can see, it was automatically moved. The same way, we can find these options, these action buttons here. We can move it up, we can move it down to change the like tier list. So we can click on more to see some other actions. We can delete, duplicate, and so on. After that, when everything is done, we can start managing elements. So inside of different sections, we have different elements. For example, here we have this text, we have this button, we have this container box. And if you're going to click on it, you can change the position, you can find all the properties, we can change design, animation, hovering durations, help, and so on. So the same thing for text, and every single element has its own options, has its own properties we can manage, like edit text, create AI text, and so on. And this is definitely the easiest way of how to interact with it. So just simply click and then just simply change. And yeah, basically this is the main features of editor you need to know. When everything is done, we can publish our website. So let's click on publish in the right top, save and continue. And in a few seconds, our website will be published and we can even find it in the internet. So it's really easy and comfortable. Let's click on edit or done, for example. And basically we can view our site. Now we have the link and we can visit it and do everything basically. So yeah, if you want to upgrade your plan, you can discover it right up here. So for event page. It's enough to have a free plan, I guess. But if you want to accept payments, you need to upgrade to Core, Business, or Business Elite. So as you can see, if you want to create an event website, it's really easy to do with the Wix. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.